find out the key differences between the two leading stock exchanges in India. A stock exchange is an electronic platform where financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, derivatives, etc. are listed. Speaking of NSE and BSE, these are the two major stock exchanges of India. BSE is short for the Bombay Stock Exchange. Founded in 1875, BSE is the first and one of the largest securities markets based out of Mumbai in India. It was founded by Mr. Premchand Roychand, one of the most influential businessmen in 19th century India. BSE is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. It was formerly known by the name the Native Share and Stockbrokers Association in the year 1875. NSE is short for the National Stock Exchange. It was founded much later than BSE in 1992 as the first dematerialized electronic exchange in the country and offers a countrywide stock market. While they have several similarities, there are also some pertinent differences between them. Let's take a look at what these are. While the Bombay Stock Exchange is one of Asia's oldest stock exchanges, the National Stock Exchange is India's biggest, with a greater number of daily trades and a higher turnover rate. Both have the headquarters in Mumbai, with the NSE located in Bandra Kurla complex and the BSE in the renowned Dalal Street. A stock exchange is the indicator of its stock exchange. This indicator helps provide information on how well the stock market is performing based on a few top companies listed on it. Needless to say, NIFTY and SENSEX are the two most important stock indices in India. Nifty 50 is an indicator of the largest 50 companies listed on NSE. SENSEX, on the other hand, tracks 30 large, well-established companies listed on BSE. Another key difference between these two stock exchanges is the number of companies listed on them. Naturally, since the Bombay Stock Exchange has been in existence for far longer than the National Stock Exchange, this differentiator doesn't come as much of a surprise. While both the stock exchanges are easy to invest in, NSE has an edge when it comes to trading. NSE has better volume and higher liquidity. Both NSE and BSE are well-established, esteemed stock exchanges in India, with thousands of investors trading daily on these stock exchanges. Their ultimate aim is to facilitate financial trading services all across India and are thus a significant part of the Indian capital market.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.